Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4 and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. To start a screen recording, you can either use a combination of three keys, which are Windows, Shift and R buttons. If you press them, three of them simultaneously, you'll be able to see that bar at the top of your screen. And alternatively, you can simply press print screen button and then select the record option right here. Once you select this option, you'll have to draw an area on your screen, or rather select it, and this area of your screen will be recorded. You can adjust the size of it by dragging the sides and the corners of the selection. Now at the top of your screen on this bar, you'll see these two icons. By pressing this one icon, you'll unmute your system microphone, and by pressing this one, you'll mute your system audio. To start a recording, click right here and then wait for the recording to begin. Now, to pause the recording, click this icon right here. To stop it, click right here. And to delete the recording without saving, press right here. Everything that is shown within this selected area will be shown on the recording too. Now, to stop the recording, click right here. And right now we can see the preview of the recording. If you want, you can trim it using this quick tool at the top of your screen. You can also edit this video in the clip champ. And to save this video, click right here. And if you want to find your video in a file explorer, you have to open it, go to videos, and go to screen recordings. And here is the screen recording that we made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.